is Janelle, and I am a Student Success Advocate, or SSA, part of your Student Success team here at NorQuest College. I want to take a couple of minutes to talk to you about some of the services and supports available to you while you are a student here. There's some really great stuff I want you to be aware of, and many students don't know about a lot of these services and supports, so now you will be in the know. While you are an academic upgrading student right now, supported by our Student Success Advocate team, many of our partners come from outside of academic upgrading, such as student navigators, tutorial services, or other personal support resources. I will briefly talk about 4 points from the SSA or Student Success Advocate point of view: who we are, what we do, when to contact us, and when we might contact you. First of all, I want to be clear that we can meet you where you are by email, video chat, phone, or in person. We want to connect with you, and we can accommodate your schedule and your preferences to do that. So the main idea, the main purpose of our team is that you succeed. You are our priority, and we want to support you in any way that we can. What do the SSAs actually do? Well, they support you with anything academic. So that includes courses in career planning and changes, connecting with resources, and helping you figure out this whole college thing. We can help you with things within NorQuest, but we can also help you as you plan to continue on to other educational institutions such as NAIT, MacEwan, or the U of A. I just want to be clear that your SSA is not a tutor, but a resource to connect you to the supports that you need. So speaking of tutors, one important partner we have is the Academic Coaching and Tutorial Support Center, which can be found in the library if you're looking to go in person. This is where you have access to qualified tutors for content and assignment support, and also to tools for improving academic skills and strategies. They're available in person and online, so be sure to check them out on the NorQuest website. We also work closely with student navigators. Student navigators are the experts in funding, including government funding, bursaries, and scholarships. They can also help you with career, course, and schedule planning, as well as getting you enrolled into the courses that you need. We also have a number of personal support options here at NorQuest. The Center for Growth and Harmony has registered psychologists, social workers, and nurses on staff to assist you through trying times. They also have connections to additional community resources. Indigenous and international student services provide additional specific information and supports for our learners. The Students Association deals with your health and dental plan, UPass, as well as emergency supports and advocacy services. All of this information can also be found on the NorQuest website. When should you contact us? When you have concerns in a course or with an instructor. Remember, SSAs are not tutors, but they can set you on the right path. If you are wondering which courses to take next, if you are experiencing personal issues you need support with, when you're looking at career options, or for any questions you may have. If we can't help, we can tell you who can. There are times when we might also contact you. If we do, please respond to our emails and calls, as we can only help if we work together. We might reach out if there are concerns with your progress, grades, or attendance, if your instructor or another person within the college refers you to us, or if we're following up on a previous meeting. One more thing to be aware of if you are new to NorQuest College this term is your health and dental plan. These fees will automatically be charged to your account and are not covered by most funders. Be sure to take a look at the website to see what this coverage can do for you. If you are not interested or you have other coverage, make sure to officially opt out to avoid problems later on. Once more, I am a Student Success Advocate, and here is how you can contact my team. I hope you have a wonderful term and look forward to working with you throughout your journey at NorQuest College.